Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. You've decided to go surfing? Well, that's a great idea for such a hot day. Besides, the forecast promised some good waves. It seems like Nicholas forgot something. Yeah, this ought to be cooler. Well, let's go. The waves look very nice indeed. But what's there near the shore? A bottle? What a mess! Who's throwing garbage in the water? Wait a second, maybe it's not garbage. It looks like a message in a bottle. Let me see it. It says that Bob was fishing in a boat and got carried offshore by waves, and now he needs our help. That's awful. We need to hurry and save Bob. Wait, guys! You won't be able to drag the boat and Bob on your surfboards. You'll need a rescue boat. Yes, Nicholas, I agree. We don't have time to go back to the garage. What is it, Jacques? You have an idea? An amphibious vehicle is a perfect solution. Just speed up. Bob's desperate. Is that maximum speed? Yeah, seems like your boat's too heavy. We need to get rid of the dead weight. No, Jacques, we need the steering wheel. Oh no, that's the engine. Jacques, your methods are unusual. And now look around thoroughly, guys. Oh, there's Bob. Yes, Bob, we can see you. The idea with that message in a bottle was great. How does your catch look? Well, that's no wonder. Who's fishing when the waves are this high? Well, guys, let's tow Bob's boat ashore. Congratulations, guys! Our rescue mission is a success. The only thing left is to get home. Oh yeah, you've remade your car into a boat, but haven't you kept the wheels? There they are. Perfect. What? Some other issues? Oh yeah, you've had to ditch the engine. So what should we do now? Nicholas has got an idea, am I right? Let's get to it. Yep, guys, you don't leave anyone hanging. Good job.